Hi, this is Peggy from RAW speaking about digital transformation and value creation in financial services. In the last set of video, we spoke about the revenue impact of COVID-19 on the banks in the new normal and also in the short term. And today we're going to do the same, but on the cost side. I see very large impacts on the cost side for the banks right now, but also in the next few years. I see mainly 7 buckets. The first bucket is loan losses. That's where the bank's going to be hit the worst as the economy is being hurt tremendously by the lockdown. We see more default, we see more bankruptcies, we're going to see more of that. So that's going to be a big line items for the bank. The second line items is about a relief program that the banks are providing to their clients, like forgiveness of interest rates for credit card, for example. That's going to be expensive for them as well. The third bucket is in terms of allocation of the relief program coming from the government and putting in place all the tools to be able to do that. That's expensive for the banks to do, so that's another expensive additional cost they're going to have to bear. The first bucket is linked with business continuity plans and employee safety plans and putting in place, I would say, a real program. The program they had in place were probably a bit too light in the context of the big pandemics we lived through. The fifth bucket we're going to see is linked with digital transformation. The acceleration of digital transformation is going to put a lot of pressure on the banks and on the costs, obviously. They're going to have to allocate some of their resources to allocate to that transformation. It has been a bit difficult in the past few years, so they're going to have to make a lot of effort on that front. The sixth area I see is related to severances. Unfortunately, the banks will put in place a cost-saving program, and with that you're going to see layoff and you're going to see severance costs associated for that. And the seventh area, and definitely the last but not the least, is related with online fraud and cybersecurity. As more and more activities moving online, you're going to see more fraud. The banks have dipped their toes in cybersecurity. They're definitely not at par, and that's going to be a massive drain on their resources. So that's my thoughts on where you're going to see additional costs coming for the financial institutions in the new normal. And next video, I will tell you where I think there are opportunities actually for the banks to reduce this cost. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you, have a good day.